Imagine a world where backing up terabytes of data is as simple as pressing a button, no computer required. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, the MAIWO 4-bay hard drive docking station brings that future to your desk. This isn't just another drive enclosure, it's a dedicated data powerhouse designed for efficiency. The standout feature, without a doubt, is its offline cloning capability. You can literally duplicate an entire drive, sector by sector, from one bay to another, all without ever needing to connect it to a PC. For quick, secure backups or migrating data to a new drive, this is an absolute game changer, saving you precious time and system resources. And when we talk about data, we're talking serious data. This beast supports up to a mind-boggling 96 terabytes of storage across its 4 bays. Whether you're working with 2.5-inch SSDs or chunky 3.5-inch HDDs, the MAIWO accommodates them all, making it incredibly versatile for any storage need you might have. Think about that, 96 terabytes of expansion at your fingertips. Once your drives are in, connecting to your computer is a breeze with USB 3 technology, pushing data at rapid speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second. That's fast enough to make those large file transfers feel less like a chore and more like a quick task, significantly enhancing your productivity. Plus, it even offers an eSATA port for those who prefer that connection. Monitoring your drives is straightforward, thanks to the built-in LED indicators. A quick glance keeps you informed about the status of each drive, so you're never left guessing about an ongoing transfer or cloning process. It's a small detail, but it adds a layer of convenience and peace of mind. The unit itself is a sleek black, measuring about 6.5 inches long, 5 inches wide, and just under 4 inches high. It's compact enough to sit comfortably on your desk without dominating the space, yet feels robust and well-built. Its universal compatibility means it plays nicely with virtually any 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch SATA drive you throw at it, making it a truly versatile solution for anyone from content creators to IT professionals. Overall, the MAIWO 4-bay hard drive docking station delivers on its promises, offering a powerful, convenient, and high-capacity solution for anyone serious about data management and backup. It truly feels like an essential tool for safeguarding your digital life.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.